Anyone guys, do let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. Please comment down if you can hear me loud and clear, guys.
With Unlimited by Furlenco, you can furnish your entire house. That's up to 15.
Okay, guys, welcome to day 3, slot number 2, TCS logical questions and answers. I hope so you can hear me loud and clear. Cool, guys. Okay, without wasting much time, let's start with this session. Before this session, guys, there is one very important announcement, guys. That is, we have already updated the PDF with slot 1 and slot 2 of day 3. So this is one doubt students are having, that we are when we are updating the PDF. So very clear, guys. If day 3 is there, slot 1 happened, so we update the PDF after slot 1. You will give slot 1, we'll update the PDF. When you will go done with slot 2, we'll update the PDF with slot 2. So which PDF I'm talking about, you people, about, it's like you can go through this PDF. Yeah. So guys, the link for this PDF is in the description of the video. You can have the link from there, from this description of the video. So this PDF is having questions from all the previous day slots. If I talk about yesterday, or day before yesterday, and morning slot of TCS, and evening slot also. As you can see, we have already updated 12th September slot 1, slot 2, 13th September slot 1, slot 2, 14th September slot 1, slot 2. So this way, if you want to practice more and more questions from previous day, this is the best place for you guys. So go through this PDF, thoroughly practice these questions. So if I talk about logical, guys, so this time lot of questions from logical, from blood relation. And if I go down, you will find logical topic also, blood relation, data sufficiency, arrangement questions. So these kind of questions are coming a lot. Alphanumeric series, numeric series, alphabetical series. So practice these questions from this PDF. The link for the same is in the description of the video. Guys, let's move forward with our session. Okay, so before that, there is one very important thing, guys. Make sure you follow us on social media handles, that is Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram. So WhatsApp and Telegram, guys, specifically for WhatsApp and Telegram, and for Instagram also, we have separate years groups, and separate year handles. For Instagram, we have separate handles for 22 pass out, 21 pass out, 23 pass out. Same for WhatsApp and Telegram. So if you are not yet added in those groups, or you have not even followed on Instagram, go to the description of this video. You'll directly get the links for all social media handles. What about this Discord, guys? So Discord is somewhere we just landed up, and this is a new server where we keep on taking live sessions. Okay, and students can interact with us, and they can ask their queries and all. So if you want to if you are interested in joining Discord, for that, link is also there in the description. Fine, moving forward, the very first problem from slot 2 logical, day 3. So this is a different problem which I find out, and that's why I thought that let's put this in the live video. Other problems is already updated in the PDF. You can go through that also. So there are 6 friends: Santu, Kantu, Mintu, Akku, Rinku, and Chintu. So some funny names. Okay, fine. Now they have given some data that Santu is younger than Kantu but elder than Rinku. Mintu is eldest. Akku is younger and Kantu but elder than Santu. Now Rinku is the elder than Chintu. Now who is the youngest person? So guys, write all the information one by one, and at the end try to give the answer. I'm giving you time. Throw your answer in the comments. Throw your answers in the comments, guys, fast. Arrangement problem, where they are talking about someone is younger than other person, then eldest order. Okay, so let's start. So let's go with the very first statement. They are saying Santu is younger than Kantu. So Santu is younger than Kantu. So suppose if this is Kantu, so can I say the Kantu is, Santu is younger. So if this is Santu, so Santu is younger than Kantu, fine, but elder than Rinku. Who is elder than Rinku? Santu. Santu is elder than Rinku. So can I say Santu is elder than Rinku? This is my very first, I can say, data they have given. Let's write the second one also. The second is, yeah, over here, Mintu is the eldest. Now Mintu is the eldest means if there are how many people? 6 people are there. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, so Mintu is the one who is the eldest among all. This is the second data they have given. Let's write the third thing also. Now third thing they have again, Akku is the younger than Kantu. Akku is younger than Kantu. So if Anku is here, so Akku is younger than Kantu. That means Kantu will be older and Akku is younger than Kantu, but elder than Santu. Now Akku is elder than Santu. If Akku is elder than Santu, so can I say Akku is more and Santu is less because Akku is elder than Santu? Fine. Last fourth data they have given, Rinku is elder than Chintu. So Rinku is elder than Chintu. Fine. Now they are asking who is youngest person. Now let's club all these four data. If I club this all four data and I have how many people? Six people. So one, two, three, four, five, six places I have. I know that the eldest one only is this M. I know that. Now if I see this, I know K is greater than A, then S. So here I will put that this is the youngest one, then K will be the one, then S will be there or A will be there. It should be A, not S, because I know after M I have A, after K I have A also, because A they are saying Kantu is elder than A and A is elder than S. So surely A will come first. Then who will be the next person? S. Then who will be the next person? R. And then who will be the next person? C. So using these four, I got this arrangement. Okay. Now, no matter, they are asking who is the youngest person. So youngest person is option number C. Sorry, person C, whose name is Chintu. So answer is nothing but option number A, guys. I hope so this is clear. So I have written all the data step by step, first, second, third, fourth. Then I club all of these, and I got my answer. A lot of you have given A as answer. It's great, guys. So you are good going. People who are getting wrong answers, just keep on practicing questions from data arrangement. So one more thing again, let me tell you, if you want to practice more questions from arrangement, I personally suggest you to go to the Prep Insta website, where we have a separate dashboard for TCS entity logical ability questions and answers, where you can see all the topics over here. And in all the topics we have quizzes, and each quiz like if each topic having approx 5 to 4 quizzes. So if I was talking about data arrangement or sitting arrangement, so you can go to sitting arrangement and you can get a free quiz. Then there are paid quizzes. The people who are having royal pass or they are prime members, they have access to paid quizzes. Suppose let me open the free quiz and let me tell you how this is all about. So suppose I have already attempted these problems. Suppose I am like, these are already attempted problems. So there is one functionality: if you are attempting the first question, you will able to see the next when you give the answer of the previous one. The best thing about here is, guys, see, if I've created this pancakes is the correct answer, so 74% people are saying this is the correct answer, 12% are saying this is the wrong, or they will give this answer also. So also at the same time you are getting explanation for whole problem, such a big explanation, guys. So this is, in deep we are explaining what this problem is all about. So if you have data, any doubt in data arrangement problems, you can practice from Prefinsta also. Fine, guys. Let's move forward with the next problem. So this problem they have asked in slot number 2, day 3, and in first day slot also they have asked from data interpretation, or you can say Venn diagram interpretation. If I say more precisely, Venn diagram interpretation. So read this and tell me the answer fast. This is an easy one. Only you have to visualize fast, guys. So in a given diagram, circle represent people who like diet, triangle represent people who like to exercise, square represent people who likes to go for morning walk, the oval represent people who likes to go for evening walk, rectangular represent people who likes to go for dance classes. Okay, there is one bad, my bad, guys. There is one part of the question which is missing, because we have given the data, but what is the question they are asking? So they are asking in this, that how many people are those, who do exercise plus who do exercise and who likes to diet also. This is the problem which they ask in slot 2. The people who loves to do exercise and diet also. So this is my bad. I have not added that part. Now this is the question for you. How many people are those who exercise and also diet? Can you answer? Answer in the comments, guys. Okay, so let's see. Simple, guys. So first thing is exercise. So if I see which figure is representing people who do exercise, so triangle represent people who do exercise. So I have to include first triangle. I have to include a triangle plus second the people who diet. Now people who are on diet are they are represent circle represent people who do diet, who likes to do diet. So that is plus I have to include circle. So circle plus triangle. So there is tell me which place is there where which is including circle plus triangle. So if I see circle and triangle both, so I know circle is here and triangle is here. So this 2 is under circle and triangle and this 3 is under circle and triangle. So how many people together? 5. Easy. It's all about how you see the problem and your visually how you are interpreting the Venn diagram. Fine. Moving forward, we have next problem from data sufficiency, and this is the fresh problem from day 3 slot 2. Among 5 friends PQRST, who earns the most? State number 1 is T's monthly income is more his colleagues Q and R. State number 2 is the monthly income of P and S is less than R. Throw your answers in the comments. I'm seeing those answers also at the same time. People who are giving the correct answer, guys. If you give your answer in the comments, when you see okay this is the correct answer, you will get confidence. Okay, yeah, I this topic my answer is correct. So that means I'm fully prepared for this topic at least for TCS. This will boost your confidence when you keep on giving answers in comments and then you see okay this is the right answer and even I got the same answer in which I've given in the comments. So that this will boost up your confidence when you sit for a coming day slots for TCS. And the people who have already given slot 2, they will get an okay they will get a clarity. Okay, my answer is correct. Fine. No matter, guys. Say here I'm discussing 5 to 10 problem, 10 to 12 problems. So if you want to see, okay, if I've given just few people have given slot 2 and they want to confirm that my answers are correct or not, directly go to the PDF. I was talking about in the beginning also. This PDF is having also the answers for all the problems. Like we have already given answers for each and every yesterday day, previous day, and day before yesterday slots. So that is the best thing over there for this PDF. Again, I'm telling guys, the people who just joined us for this YouTube live, this link for this PDF in the description of the video. Go over there, access the PDF and practice as much as you can. Any answer for this, guys? I'm watching the comments also if you have given the answers. Okay, let's see. So statement number 1 is saying T monthly income is more than colleagues Q and R. So can I say T's monthly salary is more than colleagues Q and R? This is first statement. Now tell me, they're asking among five employees PQRST who earns the most. Now can I answer using first statement alone? Who earns the most? No. I only know about T, Q and R. I don't know about P and S. So among 5 fronts they are asking. So I cannot answer using first alone. So data is not sufficient, answering from first alone. Let's come to second. Now second is saying the monthly income of P and S is less than R. So again I can say S R salary is more than P and S. Now only see statement number 2, guys. Now who among the 5 employees is earning most? See, I know R, I know P, I know S, but I don't know other 2 people using second alone. So using second alone, even I cannot answer. First, fine thing. Now let's club these 2 and let's see, am I able to answer using both or not? So let's club these 2. So I know T is having the maximum salary. Then we have Q and R. And surely I know that R salary is more than P. So R salary is more than P and P and S, because I already have a relation between R, Q, R and P using both. So I can say T is earning most, then Q and R among these two, I don't know, but that P is greater than again R is greater than again P and S. So this is the data I have. Now they're asking who among the five employee who earns the most. Yeah, I know T earns the most. I can answer who earns the most, that is T. So how I have given the answer using both statement together. So data is both statement first and second are together necessary. Few people have given D as the correct answer. That is correct, guys. Great. If you have marked D in your exam slot too, your that answer is correct. Or people who are planning for next slots, next coming slot days, your answer is correct and you are ready for at least data sufficiency. Nice, guys. Let's move forward. Before that, guys, in the morning session also, I told people to practice topics like, data sufficiency. First one, then arrangements, then blood relation. Next one, directions, syllogism, Venn diagram interpretation, and the last one is visual visual reasoning. So if I tell you guys, on the basis of all the slots I have seen in last 3 days, like today morning, evening, yesterday's and the day before yesterday, the question, logical question maximum they have asked from these topics. And I left one more, that is alphabetical series. So if you are fully confident on these topics, I'm damn sure that you will crack TCS. I'm damn sure. So just build your strength on these topics. And people who still have doubt how to how to solve questions from these topics, I personally recommend you to go to Prime, Prepinsta Prime, where see Prepinsta is the platform where you will get more questions and explanation for the same with all the analytics. But Prime is a place where there is will be not even questions but also specific dashboards where you will have video for the question explanation video. Then there will be quizzes for the teacher specific dashboard. So for people who wants to learn how to approach a problem, they should go for Prime and they should go for this TCS NQT or Ninja dashboard particularly. Fine. So this already we have solved. Let's move to the next one. I hope so. I have given enough data, enough information, which topic you have to prepare. Even you will go through the PDF now. In the PDF, you will see, okay, all the topics which I have told you, mostly the questions are from that topic only. Next one. I told you syllogism, and there is this next problem is from syllogism only. Statement, all girls are lions, all lions are cats. Conclusions, all girls are cats, all cats are girls. A easy one, try it. At least for this one I can expect the answer, guys, because this is a simple one and it will take only 2-3 seconds for solving. But I can see your comments in some after some delay of, so that's why I'm giving you time, half a minute. So either you can go with tick and cross or you can go with Venn diagram. Both will just give you the correct answer, either Venn diagram also or either tick and cross. So let's suppose if I'm going with Venn diagram. So first one is all girls are lions. So suppose this is girls. So all the girls come under lions. So this is lions and this is girls. Fine. Next one, all lions are cat. So all the lions come under cat or cats. Now let's check. So conclusion number one is all girls are cats. All girls are cats. Yeah, all the girls comes under cat because they are under lion and lion is under cat. So automatically all the girls are under cats. So first is correct. Second is all cats are girls. Can I say all the cats are girls? No. all the cats are not girls because only few part of the cats are girls, which is this part. Only few part of the cat is girls, which is this part, not all part. So this is not correct. So which should be the correct answer? Only first follows, that is option number C. So this is the simplest problem you can have from syllogism, guys. In the previous session, I have included a syllogism problem which is quite clumsy or quite difficult, but this is very simple problem. So I'll tell you guys, whenever you are attempting TCS, okay, so sometimes it can be a problem, difficult problem come or easy problem come. So try to, try to go as fast as you can do, but don't skip or don't do any mistake while reading, because while reading you do mistake and you will come to a wrong answer. Moving forward, okay, so I have seen all the yesterday slot, day before yesterday slot, and morning slot. I have not even seen a question from, this selection decision table. But in third day evening slot, I have seen questions from selection decision table. So guys, maybe in the coming slots we can expect more problems from selection decision table. So go plus and practice selection decision table a lot. 2 3 questions we have already updated in PDF for slot day, third day slots 2. So go through those problems, or even I'll discuss this one also. You try this, guys. Following are the information given for selecting candidate who got selected for a role of gym trainer in a gym. Now there are some, you know data or information they have given. That first one is must be past class 12th with 80% score. Second, must have work experience of at least 3 years as a trainer. Third, if candidate fulfills criteria B but not criteria A, but has done a diploma course in nutrition and dietetics, he will be selected. Or D is, if a candidate fulfill criteria A and not B, but has done degree courses in nutrition and dietetics, then his case will send to the owner of the gym. So now the person for whom you have to check is Ronit. Now Ronit has done diploma course in nutrition and dietetics and has scored 60% in class 12th. He has 5 years of work experience as a gym trainer. So which is the action should be taken for this person? He will be selected, he should not be selected, data inadequate, or his case will send to the owner. So guys, particularly for these kind of problems, I will suggest you to go with this approach which I'm just going with. So first I will write all the information which they are providing. So very first thing they have saying that he must be passed 12th passed with at least 80%. Minimum 80% I want, or with 80%. He must have passed class 12th with 80% score. Okay. Second, must have work experience of 3 years as a trainer. Okay. Third one, okay, now they are saying, let's see Ronit now. How Ronit's information. Ronit has done diploma course in nutrition and dietetics and has scored 60% in class 12th. I want 80 and he is scoring 60. So that means this criteria is not falling. Let's come to second one. 3 years trainer. Now he has 5 years experience working as a gym trainer. So that is falling. Second one is falling. Now my condition is first is not falling. For that I have this third, C option. Now C option is saying if the candidate fulfill criteria B but not criteria A, but has done a diploma course in nutrition and dietetics. Let's see. Yeah, Ronit has done a diploma course in nutrition and dietetics. Then he will be selected. So my first condition is not following, second following. So I will go to C exception, where if he is not following A and following B, he should done, or he have done the diploma course in nutrition dietetics that Ronit have already done. So that's why my answer should be he must be selected. That is nothing but option number D. He will be selected. And I have seen the comments. Many of you have given answer as option number D. He will be selected. So it looks good, guys, when you keep on commenting and you are giving your inputs that yeah, you want to solve the questions and you are getting that confidence. Yeah, I'm solving the questions. Fine. Okay, let's move ahead with the next problem. Okay, so I have seen lot of questions from alphabetical series, but in today's slot, this is a different type they have asked in alphabetical series. In the previous 2 3 days, they have asked where I have to look for the logic between alternate terms or inside the group of terms. But here, this some different logic came. So I will tell you that logic, but before that, I want you people to answer and give your answers in the comments. And also, I'll tell you the what is the logic behind this. Still, I want you people to. In the meanwhile, let me write this. Okay, very sorry. Just keep on giving your answer in the comments. I'm writing big so that if you are watching on your mobile phones or tabs, so you can see the whole. That's why I'm writing so big. Anyone, any answer, guys? Okay. So here the logic which it's given in this problem is something different, which I have seen okay in this today's evening slot. So maybe the same kind of logic you can find in coming slots also. So make sure you see what I'm explaining over here. So see guys, if you see the very first one, so they are in order BCD, that is there. But you can see the first alphabet is uppercase and the last alphabet is uppercase and the middle alphabet in lowercase. Now let's see the next one. E, F, G, H, order is correct. First in lower, last in lowercase, and middle are in uppercase. The next one, L, J, K, L, M, that is also fine. Last two in uppercase, and between threes are in lowercase. Now if you check this one, last two are in lowercase, and middle are in upper lowercase. So this is wrong, guys. If you check this middle, these four, this is big, small, big, big, small, big, but it should be all big. Yeah. If you check the last one, this is in uppercase, and these all are in lowercase. You know, so this is my odd one out, or is my wrong term. Why? Because the logic is the extreme terms, the extreme alphabets or extreme letters are either in uppercase or either in lowercase. If extreme are in uppercase, middle are in lowercase. If middle are in uppercase, extremes are in lowercase. So that's why I can say my answer is nothing but option number A, which is having this NLOPQRS in upper and lowercase, randomly. That's why. So I hope so people who have given slot 2 problem, they have attempted this one and they get to know that which is the correct answer. So this is one more logic we are seeing in alphabetical series. So look for this kind of also, you can, possibility of this kind of questions can also be there. Moving forward, okay, this is something a new problem. The same kind of problem, I replicate a replica of this I have seen in day 1 slot, day 1 slot 2. So same kind of problem in day 3 slot 2, but with some changing of values and data, but same kind of problem. Try this, throw your answer in the comments. Ravi, who is a student of AS level, correctly remembers that the due date for the class assignment is before 13th March and but after 9th March. One of his classmates correctly remember that the assignment due date is not on or after 12th March. Now, the class assignment is due on which day in March? This is an easy one. I'm getting answers in the comments, guys. Keep on giving your answers in the comments. That you will get to know. Okay, I'm able to solve this new type, because this is kind of a if I say tell you this is a arrangement problem, but it's not specific data. But this is I have to see the bracket of those dates. Like if the person is saying Ravi is saying something, so I have to see that bracket from which date to which date the possibility can be. Same I have to see for the other person, the the bracket of dates. Okay, let me tell you like why I'm saying this bracket and all. Let's see. So now they are saying Ravi, who is a student of AS level, remembers that the due date of a class assignment is before 13th March. It should be before 13th March, but after 9th March. So the date should be after 9th March. So can I say the date should be after 9th March? Date should be after 9th, or it should be before 13th. So the first thing I got is after 9th or before 13th. Second data is saying one classmate is saying he's also correctly saying that the due date is not on or after 12th March. Not on or after 12th March. That means the date should be not on or after 12th. Means the date value should not be, it's not like it should be after 12th or it should be not be equal to 12th. So I know it cannot be 9, it cannot be 13, it cannot be 12, or it cannot be more than 12. So which is the only dates left for me? Can I say 10th and 11th? Because 10th is more than 9, less than 13. 10th is more than 12 and 11th is also more than 12. So my date, is this bracket is correct. So my answer is nothing but option number A, 10th or 11th March. So that's why they have given one option, 10th or 11th March. So answer is option number A, 10th or 11th March, which is correct. And lot of people have given that answer in the comments. Great guys, good going. If I tell you people about the same kind of problems you want to practice, uh, let me tell you where you can find on this TCS NQT dashboard. So if you go to arrangement problems, where we have included problems related to height order, weight order. Yeah. So if you practice those height and weight order problems, which this TCS is also asking, so you will be able to solve these kind of problems, which is like, before this day and after this day. I've already solved this problem. That's why it's already, done. Let me open any other. Suppose if I attempt this quiz number 5. So yeah, see, I already done these all problems because I was going through these problems and I was like, okay, these problems are so good. They are replica of TCS. So students can practice. So that's why I'm showing you this page only. Fine. Moving ahead. Blood relation problem. So I am seeing a pattern that in each and every slot, minimum 2 or maximum 3 questions are from blood relation in each slot. Maybe morning or evening, minimum 2 or 3 problems are from blood relation. Maybe they belong to symbol notation, or maybe they belongs to family chart drawing and all. This is the pattern I am seeing. So make sure blood relation should be on your tips. So this problem is something different one, because in the previous problems they are asking which option is justifying the expression, but in this problem they are saying that which option I will put at the place of question mark, which should justify that R becomes daughter-in-law of D. So try this and throw your answers in the comments, guys, again. Okay, so let's see this problem. So they are saying, let me write this again over here. And I have, okay, let's draw. So first, this is the expression for me. Now this is A star D. Now what is the meaning of star? A star B means A is the sister of B. So A star D means A is the sister of D. So A is the sister of D. Let me draw. A is the sister of D. So if A is a sister, so A should be a female of D. Fine. This symbol stands for siblings. You know. Okay. Now I don't know about this and. Let's go to the last one. Now last one is saying, let me do this way. Yeah, last one is saying P minus R. What is the meaning of P minus R? Minus stands for A is the husband of B, so P is the husband of R. So P is the husband of R. So P is the husband of R. So surely P is male, surely R will be a female, then only they are couples. Yeah, that's the only case. Now I have to put something in the question mark so that which will justify that daughter-in-law. So let's check option number A first. That is means class. So suppose this is A and this is D and this is like this. So they are saying plus. If I put plus over here, D plus P. So plus stands for A is the father of B. So can I say D is the father of P? So if D is the father of P, and I know P is also male, and this is R. Now they're asking, R becomes daughter-in-law of D. Is R is a daughter-in-law of D? Yes, R is a daughter-in-law of D. That means A is correct. But I have one more option which is having at the rate and plus both. So I have to check this also. So let's check at the rate also. If I check at the rate, so let me draw at the rate over here. So this is for plus sign. Let me draw at over here. So if I draw for at, so I will say this is A and this is D. Fine. If I put at over here, so D at P. Now D at P means D is the mother of P. So D is the mother of P, and I know P is a male, and I know R is the wife. Yeah. So now they are saying R becomes the daughter-in-law of D. Yeah. In this case also R is the daughter-in-law because they are asking R relation with D. No matter D gender changes from here, it's male, it's female, but R is the daughter-in-law. That is a surety. So with this both justifying this. So my answer is not this. My answer is option number B. Both at and plus. Both at and plus is the correct answer. So I hope so this is clear, guys. So first I have drawn the data which is given. Then I've seen the plus sign. It's correct. Then I've seen the at sign. That is also correct. So both at and plus both are correct. Is this clear? Let's move forward. Statement is given. Conclusions are there. So there are two statements and conclusion for the same are given. So all cups are mugs, some mugs are bottles. Conclusions are some mugs are cups, few bottles are mugs. Again, easy one. Try it and give me the answer fast. Okay. Okay, let's see. So all cups are mugs. So all the cups comes under mugs. Now some mugs are bottles. So some mugs are bottles. Or I can have this also. This is cups. This is mugs and sub mugs are bottles. So I can draw this for also bottles. But I am not sure. This can also be possible. This can also be possible. Now they are saying some mugs are cups. Some mugs are cups. Yeah, surely because all cups are mugs. So some mugs are cups are correct. Few bottles are mugs. Few bottles are mugs, guys. Here it's wrong. Here it's correct. But I have to take the full possibility or 100% surety. So I can say few bottles are correct. Mugs are not correct. So only statement number one follows. Only one follows, guys. So I have to check the maximum, all both the cases. In both the cases, if my conclusion is justifying, that is correct. So if I check both the cases, some mugs are cups are there in both the cases. That's why one is correct. So only one follows. I hope so this is clear again. An easy problem. There's one more thing, guys. You can solve, syllogism with the use of tick and cross also. So if you want to learn tick and cross, I personally recommend you to go to Prime. In this, in this trailer video also, we have explained how to do with shortcut tick and cross method. So you can also go through this logical section. In this logical reasoning, there is a theory video which is totally based explaining syllogism with tick and cross. So you can learn tick and cross from there also, or else you can go to this TCS specific board where we have solved the problems, using tick and cross, syllogism, which are TCS specific, and they are quizzes also. So with tick and cross, you can practice from prime also if you want to learn tick and cross. Fine. Moving forward. Okay. Again, a selection decision table problem. Second problem, day three, slot two. I have seen two problems. So guys, please make sure you practice selection decision table also. Just tell me the answer pass in the comments, then I'll tell you what is the correct answer and how to go with this. This is again a simple one. Anyone? Okay, let me read the comments also. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Nice. So okay, let's see how to approach this problem basically. So Sony is planning to buy a water purifier following her the criteria selection for setup by her mom to if you want she want to buy a water purifier. First, its price must be less than 15,000. Second, storage volume must be more than 20 liters. Third, must contain the RO system. Fine. Now, if the water purifier satisfy all the criteria except B, but have UV system combined, then she needs to ask to dad for it. So if a water purifier satisfy all the criteria except B, but have UV and UF both, then she needs to ask to her mother for it. Now, this is the question over here. XYZ water purifier contains all the qualities of RO, UV, and UF. Its cost is 13500 and have storage of 22 liters, 22.5 liters. Then what should in this case? So what is the plan for Sony? You have to tell that out of these options. So my way of doing this, like this is the way to do selection decision table. Just write the data in short form. So very first thing, price should be less than 15,000. So this is 15,000. Price should be less than 50,000. So can I say price should be less than 15,000? Second, it should be storage must be more than 20 liters. So storage should be more than 20 liters. Third thing, must contain an RO system. So RO system should be there. Must thing. Next, okay, these all things are there. Now I will come to my question now and see which all are justifying, which all I can take. Okay, so XYZ purifier contains all the qualities of RO, UV, and UF. So RO system is there, so I can take that. It costs 13500, which is less than 15,000. That is also correct. And I have a storage of 22.5 liters. I want more than 20 liters. This is also correct. When all the conditions are justifying, I no need to check the exceptions case. I can directly say it will be selected for buying. It will not be selected. That is wrong. No need to ask to mom, and no need to ask to dad. Directly she can buy because all the conditions are satisfying over here. So guys, by writing this selection type, why that's why we say it selection decision table. So these are the selections and this is the table by which I'll come to a conclusion. So this is the best way of solving these kind of problems. So in the rough, you write in this short form because these problems are very big problems. So when you see this whole data in one go, it will be very difficult for you to understand and to visualize. That's why we write the data in short form and then take that. So our mind clarity is very, very simple. We can answer and the clarity of mind it's very simple. Like your clarity of mind is there. Okay, this is thick, this is thick, this is thick. That's why the answer should be this one. Fine. Great, guys. Okay. So I am done with slot two questions. I have tried to cover all the all the topics questions in slot two. Still, if I already told you about PDF. So we have already updated. If I can show you also, we have already updated 14th September slot two numerical, verbal, and reasoning ability questions. So if suppose if I want to access reasoning ability, I can directly go to reasoning ability and I can see the questions. Suppose, okay, so reasoning ability, try questions from there and try to access as many as questions you can. The team content team is keep on updating questions. Whenever slot 2 done, they will update slot 2 questions. Whenever slot 1 done, they will update slot 1 questions. So this is very clear, guys. Whenever you are done with slot 1 exam, then we'll our content team will update the slot 1. When you are done with slot 2, our content team will update slot 2. So this PDF is keep on updating after the completion of one particular slot. This should be very clear in your mind. Fine. Okay, so that's all from my end, guys. If any doubt you have, anything you have in your mind, you can put in the comments. Again, I'm telling the people who just joined, this PDF which I'm showing, this is TCS last 3 days slots questions. You can access this PDF from the description of the video. The link is over there. Same if I tell you, okay, Instagram, Discord, Facebook, Telegram, all these, if you want to follow us, link for the same in the description also. This is very important, guys, because sometimes there is some quick information and we want to circulate it to you people. So we post it on Instagram, we post it on Discord or on WhatsApp channels of each and every year, or in Telegram. So this is very handy or very easy for us to circulate this particular kind of information to you people. That's why if you are 22 pass out, follow 22 pass out Instagram channel. If you are 23 pass out, follow that same ways. Fine. Okay, that's all from my end, guys. If still you have any doubt, I am there for for your doubts. Again, guys, I'm repeating this thing again and again. Selection decision table practice, because yes, even today I've seen selection decision tables problems. If I can show you over here also. So practice selection decision table also, because in third day second slot they have asked this problem. And also this, people are skipping this one, that is Venn diagram interpretation. So practice Venn diagram interpretation also, guys. Fine. So I have given all the relevant information which is important for you people who are planning for coming day slots of TCS. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment over there, and will our our team will try to clear all the doubts and all. Okay, one more. I can see a comment. Okay, yeah, in this PDF we also do have answers for all the questions, guys. This is the, yeah, people are asking only questions. No, comment the comments. I can see a comment where they're asking about answers. Yeah, in the PDF we are updating answers also, guys. If you can see the screen for this particular problem, we have already updated the answer. Option number A is correct. So you are getting questions with answers. Okay, so same for programming logic, you are getting solution for the same. So we are trying our best to give you as much we can for you, for help you guys. So this PDF is very important. If you are, I was telling about visual reasoning, so visual reasoning problem. So this is a very important thing, guys, for you people. So make sure go for this. This is a must thing for you people who are planning for TCS. This PDF, the link for the PDF in the description of the video. Okay, that's all from my end, guys. Okay, guys. Maybe yeah. Next, you will have your quant session. So in the buffer of 5 to 10 minutes, you will have your quant session for TCS.